In this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom JavaScript in Elementor. To begin, go to the Elementor editor page where you want to add your JavaScript code. For example, I want to add JavaScript functionality to a button on my website. The first step is to add an HTML block to your page. It doesn't matter where you place it, you can add it anywhere on the page where you want the script to work. On the left-hand side search bar, type HTML. Drag and drop this block onto your page. In the box that appears on the left-hand side, paste your JavaScript code inside it. Once you have pasted the code, find the ID inside your script and copy it. Now go to the element where you want the JavaScript to apply. For me, that's a button. When you click on the button, you will see a button ID field on the left-hand side menu. Paste the ID you copied from your JavaScript code into this field. After doing this, click Publish at the top right-hand corner to save your changes. In my example, the JavaScript code is designed so that whenever someone clicks the button, an alert pop-up will appear. To test this, I'll open my website in a new tab and refresh the page. Now, when I click on the button, the alert pop-up appears, showing that the JavaScript code works as expected. And this is how you can add custom JavaScript in Elementor.